Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandu. We are discussing about today we are discussing 9th class 3rd chapter. What is the law of motion? Okay. What is meant by law? Law is nothing but rules. Okay. What is motion? Motion is nothing but movement. Okay. In this chapter we are discussing about the first in universe how many states? We have the two states, state of rest and state of motion. Okay. In this chapter we are discussing about the when the body is in rest state of motion. When the body is in state of motion, how many laws and how many conditions will be applicable on that motion body. Okay, on that body which is in state of motion. Okay, state of motion we are discussing. In that we are discuss about the force, type of force, balanced force, unbalanced force, Newton first law we are discussing, inertia we are discussing, momentum discuss, and second law of motion also completed. Today we are discussing about the third law of motion. Okay, here the activity is there. Before going to the activity, we have to know about the third law of motion. What is third law of motion? Okay, we are taking the definition, we are understanding the definition with examples. Let's see what is third law of motion. Okay, third law of motion deal with the third law of motion deal with reaction of the body when force act on it. Means that any body is react. We have to in this unit we are in this topic we are discussing about the when reaction of body. Okay, reaction of body when forces attract on the body. Okay, here can you see this, ma? Here dex is there. If I put the dex, okay, if I put the dex, what will happen, ma? Our reaction, the force of reaction is acting on a dex. Okay, acting on a bench, and the bench also react. Okay, bench also react the opposite force. Means that we feel some pain, ma. Why we feel pain? Because the dex, this bench also apply the same amount of force. Okay, when we apply the force on the dex, means that we feel pain. That pain, what is the pain? Why we feel the pain? Because the dex, this bench also apply the same amount of force. This bench also apply the same amount of force, but in opposite direction. Okay, the third law of motion with reaction of body. Okay, everybody have the reaction, nama. Everybody has a capacity to react capacity to react the force. Okay, when we force the reaction of the body when force act on it. Okay, we are discussing in this topic when the forces act on the body, when we apply the force of anybody, what will happen? That body also react the same amount of force. Okay, let's see what is the statement. To every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. When we apply the amount of force, when we apply the force on any body, that body also react the same. That body also reply the same amount of force to the another body. Okay, can you understand my point? In third law of motion, what we third law of motion tell us, when the forces act on a body, that body have the capacity to reply the same amount of force to the other body. Okay, with the help of example we can understand this statement. Okay, ma? Can you see the picture, ma? What is that in the picture? Here, when the force is extracted, okay, when the force is extracted on the object, that force is caused by another object. Okay, what will happen? Our hand is there. When we put the hand on the desk, what will happen, ma'am? We apply the what we are doing? We applying the force on the desk. Means that we applying the force on the desk means the force exerted on the desk by hand. Okay, by hand. Okay. Similarly, the desk also can reply the same amount of force. Okay. Here, the force exerted on the hand by dex. Okay. Here, when we apply the force on the dex will be also reply the same amount of force. Means that we are discussing about the reaction of object. Now, which one is reaction? Which one is action? This hand is play the action on the dex. Here, the dex is reaction or react. The dex is reaction on the hand. Okay, the dex is react on hand. Means that it is an equal and opposite reaction. He play the equal and opposite reaction. Here he apply the force on this direction. The dex is force apply on this direction. Means that the equal and opposite reaction. Here the equal. Here they apply the same amount. He apply the some consider. Means that what will happen now when the force exerted on an object, that force is caused by another. Okay, it reacted on one another. Okay, it is dependent on one another. forces act on the when the hand is okay, when the hand apply the force on desk also apply the same amount of force, but in opposite direction. Whenever one object exerted the force on second object, okay, here we are considering the hand as one object, it is a second object we are considering, okay. Whenever one object exert the force, apply the force on second object, okay, this is the second object. The second object and equal force in the opposite direction. The second exerted an equal force. The second object should be exerted an equal force to the first object, okay. If the hand push again the edge of the desk, the red force vector, okay. Here the edge means corner, okay. We can say when we force apply on the edge of the force means that what will happen, we apply this like that, okay. We apply the force like that, nama. The desk push back again your hand means that desk also push again the hand, okay. He apply the same amount of force to the hand means that the force, the two color tell us the force act on different object means that this is two are same object ma. This one is hand, this one is desk ma, okay. These are two different objects. The force is acting on two different objects ma, okay. This is your example of third law. What is the third law means? The third law is when the force exerted on the body. Third law is tell us every action there is an equal opposite reaction. This is the third law. With the help of example we are understanding the third law of motion, okay. Can you see the example? This one also has the same third law of motion is applicable here, okay. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, okay. Can you see here the gun is there, ma. When you apply the force, okay, when you apply the force for the key, what will happen? The bullet will be passed with a large velocity, okay. The bullet will be passed with large velocity. The reaction, recoil force on the gun, okay. What will happen? When the bullet come forward, what will happen? The small reaction will be here, ma. What will happen? The gun will pass backward, ma, okay. The bullet will be moved forward means that the bullet here the gun is apply the force on bullet also apply the same amount of force to gun means it will be pass small, okay. It will be moved backward, okay. It will move backward means that here the action is there, here the reaction is there means that every action has an equal opposite reaction. This is also example, okay. Second example is that the reaction, the floor push up the forward, okay. The reaction, first we have to know about the action, nama, okay. The foot push it down and back, okay. What will happen when we walking, ma? What will happen? We are applying the force on forward, okay. We are applying the force on backward, okay. First we are applying the force on backward for moving the forward means that here we are playing the action now for reaction. For what will happen? The floor push up in forward. What will happen? Whatever ground is there, what will happen? The reaction of floor is there. It push our foot and we are moving the forward direction. This is the examples of action of third law of motion, okay. Here the Newton third law also applicable while we are swimming, okay. What will happen? The action reaction force proper the swimmer through the water. We are traveling from one point to another point in water also, ma. How it possible? Because the Newton third law is applicable here, ma. What will happen? What will we do? The swimmer pushes the water against the water. What will happen? What here the swimmer is there, he apply the force on water, okay. The swimmer pushes again the water means that he push the water, he push the water for what? For move forward, okay. For move forward and the water pushes the swimmer means that the person apply the force on water. Here the water also apply the same amount of force on swimmer means that this equal forces, the equal and opposite forces is possible to swim. It's possible to swim from one point to another point. This is also the second law of motion. The swimmer apply the force on water and water apply the same amount of force to swimmer. process to swim the this is a process to swim. This is a process to swimming. Okay, swimming from one point to another point. Okay, this is the third law of motion. Here the action force and reaction force, the force exerted by the A on B is called action force. If two bodies is there, one body, when the force applied by A on B means it is action force. Okay, if the bodies A, B bodies we are considering, here the body A and here the body B. Okay, ma'am. Here this topic we are discussing in the next class, ma'am, with the help of examples. Up to that, yeah, you have to complete your notes with example. Whatever example is possible, you have to draw and submit in the group, ma'am. This topic we are discussing in the next class. Okay, today's class is completed. Just you have to complete your notes till that. Okay, thank you.